Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change currency on AliExpress. Here's how I can change the currency of the AliExpress web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch a browser and navigate to the AliExpress website. Now you can use any browser of your choice. Once in the website, here are things you need to do. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and click on the account icon at the top right corner of the website and log in using your account credentials. Once you're done logging in, hover over to the top right corner of your screen where you have language/currency. Now click on the drop down menu right beside it. And here you have a banner that says ship to. Of course, that's your location and that's the country, which is Ireland. And then you have language and you have the communications bar for currency. Now you can click on the language drop down menu to select the language that you want. And after that, head over to currency, which is the core of this tutorial, to change it to the currency that you want. Here are the currencies supported by AliExpress, and they include Euro, they include US dollars, and they include GBP, which is British pound, and they have the UAH, which is the Ukrainian hryvnia. Okay, all right, so I pretty much didn't know how to pronounce that correctly, but then you have euros, that's the EUR, you have USD, you have GBP, and you have UAH. Now this means aside from those options that are displayed to you, there are no other options for currency change. Now select any of these categories to what you want. So let's say I want to use GBP and I just set it to GBP. After that, go ahead and click on the save button, which is here. And once you click on the save button, you will see that your account will be refreshed. It will now be refreshed using the currency that you chose. Now you can see before it was for the currencies were in euros, but now they're totally in GBP, which is right here. So after you refresh, you see all the product prices reflected in the currency you've chosen, and that's just pretty much it. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency on the AliExpress web app. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. Now, I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.